PES files are instructions for Brother Embroidery machines, but you don't need the machine to see the design on your computer screen. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is a free tool to preview the stitching pattern. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering PES files with corrupted internal metadata. Any validation software will identify the PES file under the General Embroidery Sewing File grouping. It is composed of blocks of data compliant with Brother Embroidery File. The PES file is a highly specific machine embroidery design format. It contains instructions such as stitch sequence, thread colors, and density for computer-controlled embroidery machines. It is the language used by the machine to physically create a design on fabric. Developed by Brother Industries and used by Embroider 2, the design rules are proprietary and hierarchical. The file structure is divided into blocks defining header information, color palettes, and finally the precise sequence of XY coordinates for the needle movement. The file is useless without an embroidery application or machine that can interpret the stitching vectors. The industry standard application for PES is considered to be Embroider 2 from open source. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows offers only high-level data, while full pattern visualization must occur in sewing software. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your PES file and select Open With. Test Embroider 2 if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. When your PES file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent PES file error. First, check for Windows block. Right-click the downloaded file, select Properties, and look for an Unblock checkbox. If present, uncheck it. Next, reassociate file type. Right-click the PES file, select Open With, and manually point to the correct embroidery program executable, e.g. Embedded.exe for PE design. Finally, check Program List. Ensure your embroidery program is one of the known programs that handles this file type, such as PE Design, Embird, or Power Encoder. When every locally installed program has been tried, specialized third-party software is now the required final intervention. Initiating the definitive fix is the correct next step to try. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the PES file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Remember to always back up your original files first. If you're a longtime viewer, thanks. If you're new, please join the community by subscribing today.